Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Guys, happy holiday to us all. I believe and I trust we are enjoying our holidays. Good. Guys, don't forget the promo, the 1000 TBC promo is still on. This is a wonderful holiday promo from our able admin. Do not shortchange yourself. I repeat, do not shortchange yourself. There has never been such a mega promotion like this in the community. Last time when early this year around March, when the annual program free started, and admin gave 1,000 TBC coins. Wow, we are all saying wow, wow. But imagine, thank God for his magnanimity and thank God for this wonderful promotion. Guys, I beg you, I urge you, I advise you, I beseech you, do all within your best to key into this promo. 1,000 TBC coins for payment of the billionaire program fee of 8 grain is wonderful. It is fantabulous. So guys, do all within your best and make your payment in cryptos, and you'll be glad you did. You will get the monthly billionaire reward of 100 TBC and at the same time the 1,000 coins for making the promo within this month of December. Today is the 14th day. We have just few days to go. So guys, do all within your best. Key into this promo. Subscribe, pay. If you are not yet a member of Green Content, register and pay the program fee. 8 grains, equivalent of 8 grains wherever you are in the world. That is what you have to pay. And guys, get what? You'll be rewarded 1,000 TVC coins. Oh God, indeed we are grateful. So guys, do it within your best. Don't trivialize it. Don't jettison it. Stop procrastinating. Act now and act fast. I love you guys. TBC to the moon. In TBC to the moon. In fact, we are going higher and higher. So looking forward to see a lot of updates in regards to our payments. Thank you all. I love you. TBC is my birthright. I want you to like this broadcast, subscribe to my channel for subsequent updates, and what you will always love it. Thank you. Bye for now.